Today we're gonna make DIY doll stuff out of this, a hot glue gun, and we're also gonna make a laptop, a book, and a drink out of these beads. Okay, get 2 pearl beads from the Dollar Tree. Put a dab of glue. Then connect them. Press. Get a Hawaiian lace. See these straw thingies? Get one of them from the Dollar Tree and get the Hawaiian lace at the Dollar Tree. And then, alright, glue it on and you have your own doll drink. Alright, let's go to the second doll hack. Alright, see this book here? That's about butterflies. Get some paper. Shuffle the pages. Alright, then glue along. Press. Then get some crayons. Alright, then we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna get some pink. This book is about flowers. Then you're gonna get some this color. Oh no. And then we're done. It's a book about flowers. Then how to make a laptop. See this laptop? We're gonna alright, hot glue this. Press. Alright, let's glue the pages. Like 4 pages. 4th one, and then press. Make the bottom of the laptop. Alright, now trim it. And glue it like this. Alright, then we're gonna make oops, I made that design on accident, but it's kind of cool. So we're actually going to use this as the top. So when I'm doing crafting, I accidentally do things and then I like it. So it melts the crayon here. And then this will be the top. And then this will be the key. Alright, get some tape. Then put it on so it can fold. Okay, then And then, ta-da, you have your laptop. See this? We're gonna make some drinks, doll drinks. Pour it in. Carefully. Oh no, that's okay. And ta-da, the doll can hold it. Bye guys. Hope you like this video.